you for being my hope and reason to keep going. To my educators, Ma'am Jonah, Sir Zai, and Ma'am Jeanette, your patience and wisdom gave me the strength to stand tall. To Manicure, my team, friends, and supporters, you are the true crown I will always carry. To the woman who will be crowned today, embrace this journey with passion, purpose, and humility. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for allowing me to serve, inspire, and dream with you. This may be my farewell as me, but it is only the beginning of the woman I am becoming. Once again, I am Angel Floriani, your Miss STI College Rosario 2024.
Mr. SDI 2024.
Hello STIers, esteemed faculty, beloved students, and honored guests. Tonight, as I stand before you, a wave of emotion washes over me. It feels unreal that a year has already passed since I was given the honor of representing our institution as Mr. STI 2024. This journey has filled with growth, challenges, and unforgettable memories. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the STI community, Team Cabacas, and especially Basil Buenafloy. Your support has been my greatest strength, every cheer, every word of encouragement, and every shared moment has fueled my passion to carry this title with pride and integrity. Thank you for believing in me, even in the moments when even I doubted myself. And now, the time has come to pass this crown. The new Mr. STI College Rosario 2025. Congratulations. This is your moment to shine. Embrace this.
Your reigning Mr. and Miss STI Rosario 2024. John Philip Fernandez and Angel Florian. Let us give them a round of applause.